Hello and welcome back to IBAN First platform. I'm Francesco, and today I'm going to show you how to use our multi-signature feature inside the platform. So, as you can see by the name, it will help you. It's a feature that will help you sign several payments at the same time. And so, why is this feature convenient for you? Basically, it will reduce the number of manual actions needed. And so you will do only one instead of maybe 4, 5, or 10 signatures separately. And additionally, you will have more control over your transactions. Let's take an example. For instance, you have an accountant inside your business that doesn't have the right to finalize a payment. And with our multi-signature, you will be the one in control, check all the different payments and sign them all at once if you consider them legitimate. So, how can you do this inside the platform? There are three different ways, or by clicking on payments, or by looking at the pending transactions notification area, as you can see here, payment pending signature. Or if you scroll down and click and go on last update, you can see a pending signature with a little pen here. That means that your payments need to be signed. You click here. It will open this page where you can see all the payments that you will do. Here you can select and deselect all the payments that you want to sign. Then you sign and the job is done. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Until next time, enjoy the platform.